If you just press Command Shift and 3 on your Mac, that will take a screenshot of your entire screen. And if you want, you may also press Command Shift and 4, and that will allow you to take screenshot of a selected portion like this. You can select the portion that you want to take a screenshot, and after that release it to take the screenshot. But the problem is that only takes the screenshot of what is shown on the screen, like this area. But what if you want to take the screenshot of the entire page that you see here? How do you take full page screenshot or scrolling screenshot on your Mac? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to take a full page screenshot on your Mac or scrolling screenshot on Mac. So first we will see how to take full page screenshot in Safari on Mac, and after that I'll also show you how to do that in other browsers like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. In order to take full page screenshot on Mac, first of all you have to open the page for which you want to take a scrolling screenshot, and after that you have to click on File from the left menu items, and then you will get these options. Here you have to select the option that says Export as PDF, and then just click on that, and that will open a prompt here where you can rename it if you want, and then select the destination where you want to save the full page screenshot. Remember, this is a PDF, but this will act as a full page screenshot as well. So just click on save, and that will export the full page screenshot in PDF format like this. You can see the entire page here, and if you zoom in, you will notice that there is no loss in the quality as well. This is perfect full page scrolling screenshot in Safari on Mac. And in case you are wondering that it is in PDF format but you need a PNG format for your screenshot, then you can also click on this open with preview, and then it will open with preview, and there you have to click on file and export again as PNG format. Here choose the format to PNG, and then you can select the destination as well to desktop, and then just click save, and that will add the PNG file here. So this is how you can convert the PDF screenshot to PNG as well, like this. Now let's see how to take full page screenshot in Google Chrome on your Mac. So first of all, open the Google Chrome web browser, and after that simply open any web page for which you want to take the full page screenshot. And once the page opens, what you have to do is you have to click on the file option from the top left menu items, and then you have to click on print. You may also press Command and P simultaneously, and that will open up the printing window. Here you can simply select Save as PDF next to destination, and then next to pages select all, so that entire page will be added inside the PDF. And after that, here you get more settings as well, but you don't have to worry about this. You may simply click on save, and that will open a prompt where you can select the destination as well. Here I'll select desktop, and next click on save, and that will print this page as PDF and save it on desktop. And if I open this, here you will see that the entire page has been taken the screenshot. And again, if you are worried about it having a .pdf extension, then you may convert this from PDF format to .png as well using the preview app. Now let's see how we can take a full page scrolling screenshot in Firefox web browser on Mac. For that, let's first open Firefox, and after that we will simply open the page that we want to take full page screenshot. And once the page opens, next, in order to take full page screenshot in Firefox on Mac, you have to click anywhere in the empty space and just secondary click or right click on that, and then you will get the option for taking screenshot here. Just click on take screenshot, and that will open up a window which is having two options here. You may click on save visible, and that will take the screenshot of the visible portion that you see here in the visible window, and there is save full page as well, and that will show you entire page scrolling like this. So in order to take full page scrolling screenshot, you have to click on save full page, and after that you have to click on download button here, or simply press Command and S simultaneously, and that will save the entire page scrolling screenshot in Firefox on Mac. You may simply click on it to open the file, and as you can see here, this entire page has been taken as screenshot here. And in Firefox, it is a perfect option to take a full page screenshot, because you don't need to perform an extra action of converting the .pdf format into .png. You will simply get a PNG file after taking a full page screenshot like this. So this is how you take a full page screenshot in Safari, Google Chrome and Firefox on Mac. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to take a full page screenshot on iPhone, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.